Beautiful new morning, and it's raining. I'm just going to do a little experiment with this. I know it's not, there's nothing out here very interesting, but my purpose is to experiment a little. November 5th, and we're looking here at one of my rhododendrons planted just earlier this summer. Pretty little thing is going to look great next year. Look over here. Azaleas in the fall are so pretty. Look at that. Look at the color. Another one over there. This was planted just a year ago, summer 2017. It's called a dappled willow. What an interesting, pretty day. Look at the color. Now this is Rose Glow Barberry. You'd never know it since it's kind of a bronzy orange color. Look in there. Just a sensational plant all year long. New growth is pink. Of course it's trimmed back now so that there's nothing new, no new growth. Back here a rhododendron. This is its third year. And below, an acer. Now an acer is one way to describe or to name a Japanese maple. Isn't that pretty? Now it's dark green, almost invisible during the summer. But now look at it. So interesting. I can't wait for that to get big. Somebody over there did not pick up the leaves. Raked them into a pile, then walked away. I wonder who that was.